In this video, I'll show you the best ways to get rich in Grow a Garden on Roblox. While it may sound odd, one of the fastest early game methods is simply asking other players for fruits. It's not against the rules, just a bit sneaky, and it can give you a quick head start. But if you prefer to grow your wealth the legit way, here's what to do. Start by purchasing only carrot seeds. Stick with them in the early game because they're affordable and offer steady returns. Once you've made enough, upgrade the blueberry seeds. Blueberries are a great next step since they produce a good amount of fruit. After that, invest in tomato seeds. Tomatoes offer reliable income and are a strong step forward. From this point on, alternate between planting tomatoes and blueberries to keep your income steady. Your goal is to either get lucky with a legendary seed drop or save enough coins to buy one. One smart strategy is to collect bamboo seeds if a thunderstorm hits. They can turn into shock bamboo, which sells for millions. Keep farming consistently. If there's an Easter event happening, gather gold fruits to buy exclusive plants, but you can skip this if the event's over. Eventually, focus on acquiring legendary and rare plants and take advantage of rain events to boost your harvests. Your ultimate goal should be getting the candy blossom seed, which currently gives the highest coin return per fruit. It's rare and hard to find in the shop, so be patient. So follow this routine, keep upgrading your seeds, and you'll build the richest garden and grow in a garden over time.